going on, YouTube? Moto Mike 805 here, and today is Christmas. It's Christmas, and I'm going for a quick ride. And what we're doing today, we're gonna do the Goofy Bastard MotoVLog challenge, which is doing a video, I think 7 to 10 minutes long, with no editing. So we're gonna really try to do this today. We're gonna do the Goofy Bastard challenge. But before we get going, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment, and share. And we'll get going right after this. Wait, what happened? We'll get going right after this. What the hell? Oh wait, that's right, no editing. No intro. So I guess we're just in it. Okay, when I don't know if you noticed, but when I started my bike, it wasn't raining. Crap, now it's raining. Oh well, we'll do this in the rain. I'm not really dressed for rain though. So the only thing I was going to talk about in this challenge is I'm going to try to make this an 8-minute video, because I know the segments on the camera are like 8 minutes and 40 seconds or something for the GoPro. So I'm going to really try to do this with no editing, not even splicing 2 clips together from the GoPro. So let's see if we can do that. I got my clock in front of me. I plan to be over at 8:59, and it is 8:52. We started at 2:59. We started at 2:51. So what I was going to talk about today is New Year's resolution. Although mine's not really a New Year's resolution, because I started it about 2 weeks ago. One thing I really need to do is lose some weight. I have gained 50 pounds in the last 7 years since we moved over here to the Central Coast from Fresno. And I've got degenerative spine disease. My back is all jacked up. About the most amount of time I can spend standing is about 5 minutes. At about 10 minutes, my back is killing me. I gotta, I'm gonna keep wiping the water off the camera. I gotta sit down. I can sit down fine, just can't stand for too long. So that is my kind of New Year's resolution. Like I said, I started it a couple weeks ago, maybe 2.5 weeks ago. I was at 260 pounds and just said that's enough. So I started, the only thing that has ever worked for me is doing a low carb diet. So I started back on that kind of gradually. Going too fast really messes with my stomach, so I kind of slowly started it. But in the last, I don't know, 2.5 weeks, I have lost 16 pounds. I'm down to 246 pounds now. Trying to stick with it. I always, I'll have a cheat day and then I never go back, which yesterday being Christmas Eve was my first cheat day since I started the diet. We went over to my dad's house and I was like, I'll just look for some low carb stuff and I'll stay away from all the other stuff. I couldn't do it though. I lasted about 3 minutes and I was digging into all the carb loaded goodies. So I figured, well, I'm gonna make Christmas Eve and Christmas Day a cheat day and then back on it for a couple weeks before I let myself have a treat. Also, one of the things I used to like to do for exercises is running, but I cannot, like I said, I can't really be on my feet that long with my back. So I did buy an exercise bike about a month ago, and since I did eat some carbs yesterday, I rode for about an hour on the exercise bike today, and I'll probably ride some more later. So a combo of my helping me reach my goal is the low carb diet and getting some timing on the exercise bike. We also did do we walked a couple miles on the beach this morning. Of course it wasn't raining then, and it's raining. It's starting to come down a little good. Starting to come down now a little bit. I mean, it's not too bad. You probably I can't see the rain other than hitting my face shield, so maybe it doesn't even look like it's raining unless it's getting on the lens. So let me know, do you have any New Year's resolutions out there? Are you gonna set any goals? Are you one that don't believe in New Year's resolutions? I almost never set a New Year's resolution, and if I do, it's almost always the same thing: lose weight. Well, like I said, it's not really a New Year's resolution, because I started this about 2.5 weeks ago. So it's more of a December end of year resolution. I figure I'd get a head start on it. What else we got happening? I think that is about it. I haven't, let's see, what was my last MotoVlog? I think it was, oh, it was the ride with all the popping. I think I know what the popping might have been. I don't think I'll get going fast enough before this video ends to really test the popping. But I was watching the video after I made it, and I noticed my chin vent was open, and usually I'd never have the chin vent open. And on my old helmet, I don't know if I ever showed that setup, I actually put duct tape on the inside of the helmet over the chin vent. And I think that whenever I get the popping, it's been with this helmet. I think I may have inadvertently opened the chin vent from time to time, and that's where the popping's coming from. So we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna, it's already 2:57. Won't have enough time to do that today, to test it, to see if that helps it out. I'm hoping that helps it out. I got a lot of tips on there from everybody. Thank you for all those. I'll check. I'll try some of that stuff as well, and see if I still have it after taking it for a test ride, hitting 60-70 miles an hour. If I still have that wind noise, I'll start working on some of the other stuff. I might get a medium mod, but I don't think that's going to solve the problem. I think it's the mic's picking up some wind and it's causing that popping. I forgot to look. I was pretty sure this had, what do you call it, the dead cat or the little fur thing. I'm pretty sure that's on there. Well, hey, we are at 7 minutes, so I guess I'm gonna get on out of here. I don't know, how did I do? Have any of you done the Goofy Bastard Challenge? If not, give it a try. Like I said, I'm literally doing no editing. I'm trying to keep it short enough where I don't even have to go into Premiere and put the two different clips together. So hopefully this is all just one segment. I'm not even going to edit the start. It starts when I hit the record button on the camera. Well, I'm going to get out of here, everybody. Remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment, and share. And remember, ride like everyone is a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube. Peace.